Namaskar. Welcome the digital platform of Dayanand College of Pharmacy, Latur. I am Shivnechari PM. We all know that prevention is better than cure. In dealing with COVID-19 outbreak, it is important to maintain the natural defense system of the body with the healthy lifestyle. This is something which the government has been time on again emphasizing on that to maintain a natural defense system of the body where it is important to have a healthy lifestyle. By there is no exact medicine of COVID-19 as of now. It will be go to take all preventive measure which boost the natural defense system of the body with the healthy lifestyle. The Ministry of Ayush has issued an advisory in this regard on various immunity enhancing steps from the time tested approaches of Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a plant-based science. The important advisory issued by the Ayush of Ministry include various measures. The general measure for promoting the natural defense system of the body include drinking warm water throughout the day, daily practices of pranayam, yoga, meditation for at least 30 minutes daily, using coriander, cumin, turmeric, garlic for cooking daily in a day. Ayurvedic immunity promoting measure include taking 10 grams or 1 tablespoonful of Chyawanprash daily. People who are suffering from diabetes can take sugar-free Chyawanprash. Also, one can have herbal tea, which is a decoction or kada made from tulsi, dalchini, kali mirch or black pepper and dry ginger. This decoction can be taken once or twice in a day. Natural sugar like jaggery and enhance the taste. Lemon can also be added in decoction. Also, golden milk which can be prepared by taking half teaspoonful of haldi or turmeric in 150 ml of milk can be taken once or twice in a day. Simple Ayurvedic procedure include nasal application and oil pulling therapy. Nasal application include little amount of sesame or coconut oil or ghee in both the nostrils in morning and evening. Then comes to oil pulling therapy. Take 1 tablespoon of sesame or coconut oil immunity. Swish it for 1 or 2 minutes and then spit it followed by warm water rinse. This can also be done once or twice in a day. Now the procedure which can be followed for dry cough and sore throat. Stimulation with fresh mint or pudina or ajwain can also done once in a day. Also, clove powder mixed with natural sugar or honey can be taken twice or thrice in a day. It also helps to relieving the sore throat or dry cough. In case symptoms still persist, it is better to see a doctor. Ministry of Ayush has recommended these self-care health guidelines to ensure them as a preventive healthcare measure and boosting the natural defense system of the body. We will be back with more such informative videos. Till then, take care of your health. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.